Okay, so just a quick update here. I've mostly been doing some structure work the last week or so, and what I've sort of nearly finished is this first structure here, which is going to be a candy manufacturing plant, apparently. Um, for the most part, this is just a basic DPM kit. It was the Gripps furniture kit. However, I did kitbash it a little bit. Basically, everything is exactly flipped. This side should have been over here, this side over here, if you had built it out of the box. And the back side is reversed as well. I cut the panels in half and rearranged them just to better fit the track layout, so the loading doors would be near or would be accessible, from the track the way they were set up. And I did add some additional details. I added some various roof details. I don't remember what everything is from. These are I think Cal Freight. I think the vents are as well, and then the AC units, I'm not sure if those are as well. Did a little access hatch here. I have to do some weathering still, but and then I just used my scrap box of stuff to create some storage tanks and some piping, which might be for either something like corn syrup, or maybe some type of sugar type product, or something like that. I'm not really sure, but it's probably hard to see here initially. But I cut out the loading doors and I replaced them with a V-groove siding material, which kind of gives sort of a typical rolling loading door look to them. I do have to add some additional details still. I'm going to be adding in some bumpers and stuff here for trucks to back up to, and some other details there. And then I did add quite a few lights in here. These are just kind of use some pieces of wood and some micro LEDs to create some overhead lights there and over the doors. And the building interior is also semi, sort of finished. I have some images in there that I printed out. And I also just put like lots of random scrap materials inside to kind of give the appearance of a manufacturing type plant. So I'll go ahead and get the lights turned on here, and we'll kind of see what that looks like. Okay, so here's the what everything looks like with the lights on and the room lights still on. I think I have 12 micro LEDs of various types inside the building and around the outside. See if I can get it a little bit better there. I think I have like about 6 on the inside, and then about that on the outside as well. And you can sort of see I have the one loading door here open, and there's some, I printed out just sort of a warehouse, shelving box type look on the inside that you probably can't really see, but it's present on the. And then this side, the same thing. I have a loading door here open as well, and there's some warehouse type picture there on the inside. And then this side here, again, you probably can't really tell, and doesn't really make a whole lot of difference, but I do have quite a few details in here in terms of just, some things that look sort of like a conveyor belt, and various, piping and different things like that in there that kind of just, give the appearance of a manufacturing type plant, on the inside of the building. And I'm working on what is going to be a lumber facility here. I basically just took some styrene, built it up a little bit with some square styrene pieces to match the level of the unit track, and then cut a piece for the interior there, or for the middle between the rails here. And but anyway, slow progress. At this stage things go pretty slowly, since building work takes quite a bit of time. But anyway, just want to give you a quick update on where things are at. And again, I'll have an update here at some point once I sort of get most of the details and additions to this building here finished, and finish off the lumberyard area here with the fencing and the scenery work around there, and kind of go from there and see how things are going. But anyway, that's all for now, and thanks for watching. Bye.